Good morning, guys. So this is Danish. I'm the founder of Evoke, and I run a real estate firm here. It's 10 a.m. in the morning, and just entering the office right now, meeting the team. Hi, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's just keep it raw. It's a YouTube video. Okay. We're just starting. So that's it. I mean, we just wait for 10 minutes. People have 10 minutes buffer to start the morning meeting, and rest you'll see what I'm gonna do throughout the day. And by the way, we are revealing something very different and very exciting today. So stay tuned. You'll be watching it. With that, may I request you to sit down. Okay, so we just came up with something yesterday. I think few of you might know about it. That no one else is doing it in the market right now. Let's start. Since our rap video went so viral and everybody is talking about it in the market right now, and we came up with something yesterday that we will be having a page which will be called Evoke Studios. Okay, because have you guys seen any other real estate company having something like this, like a company name and a studios or anything? So this page will be dedicated only for some quality content which is being shot by all of y'all. So we have curated a little bit of, like, when you see movies and when you see some production house coming in, I don't know, production house maybe in future, inshallah, we will be, but we will just share the logo how it's gonna look like. Like Dharma. Good, yaar. Congrats. So it's just a small start. Come, Samra is here. Think of a nice idea, come up with something. Can we play your video? The new one. Okay, so he made this video yesterday. Okay, and again it was shot by Ravaha from iPhone, edited in a day. It was done in a day. Ravaha, can you play? I really like. It's basically about what is the life of a realtor. Like, all of us, including myself. What's the life of the realtor? You guys will watch it. How was it? Did you guys like it? With that being said, we'll have, hi Anjana. Come. Hi, good morning. So we have Anjana and Mr. Mazen from Ellington. All right, so the most important part of the day is training and a session at Raw District plot location, the Experience Studio. So it's one, we just finished the Friday prayers and we are just rushing to there because we have a briefing schedule. So let's go. Same is there, no breakup. He was lying, right? There was no break. It was just a fight, small fight. No breakup. That is the good news. All right, so we are heading to the plot of Raw District right now with Tanzil. Tanzil is driving with me, and Raw District is basically a project which we've been focusing for last 2 months. The phase one was amazingly well. It went well, got sold out. Now phase two is coming right next to it, and this time what they have done, they have curated a nice experience center at the plot itself, which has elements of the whole community. So stay tuned. We are on Sheikh Zayed Road right now. The drive to Raw District from my office, which is in downtown Business Bay, is around 25 minutes. So it's around 135, 130, 140 right now. I think by 2:05 we should be there. So we are just driving. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so you see it's not yet 2 and we have reached the plot location. That's where the whole setup is there. You guys will really like it a lot. Let's just go inside and see. So welcome to the Experience Center of Raw District, which is right here. This is actually gonna be the plot, and if you see, the metro station is right away. Raw District 2 is coming up right over there where you see Imtiaz written. It's pretty hot. Let's just go inside right now. So as you see, always the vibe is really good. We were there over here for I think 4-5 days back on the launch, and it's exactly the same. If you see over here, let me give you a tour of the whole thing. Well, we see the raw theory over here. That's the raw theory. The best part about this is the gym. Well, actually, let me do this. I'm gonna make another video of the whole tour of the raw district. But now I think the team is waiting for the briefing. We're just gonna meet the team. So let this vlog be all about what I'm doing in a day. But yeah, I'm gonna make another vlog for the model is right over there. What's up? What's up? How are you? How's your meeting?
It's going good.
All good, all good. How are you? How are you, sir? हाँ हाँ आ जाएंगे, आ जाओ. अभी अपनी टीम उतनी बड़ी नहीं है. We'll fit in. भाई तू मीटिंग के लिए ले जा रहा है, यूआई लेकर आना. और नहीं तो मत आना. चलो. So one of the most important part for a Dubai real estate firm, a brokerage, is training. Because what happens is that training is something which is important, because if you're selling without the knowledge, then you're not selling. You are just wanting to make money. I mean, great line said by me. But anyways, this is the team, if you see over here, getting trained. Okay, one of the most selling project of Dubai Raw District by Imtiaz. And though we have already done amazingly well in phase 1, phase 2 is there, and phase 2 has some amazing add-on options. Like, just for example, it has a 80,000 square feet flame tree park right in front of the towers. So the team is all engaged. We are taking a very professional training on Raw District, and that's how the days goes. Once the training is done, they will understand. There'll be a lot of questions they will be asking, and after that, what's going to happen then is the time when we start calling you people, if you are an investor watching this, to tell you about the project, and especially the people who inquire us to our content, videos, marketing and everything. We give you an insight after this very, very much needed training session. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what we do next over here. But yeah, I mean, have a look at Raw District. This is the Experience Center, which is absolutely amazing. And let me go inside, because I need to be the part of training, because I just don't believe in them taking the training. I just came out to make this short video because I need to be inside myself, because even I try to learn as much as possible, because learning should never stop. So finally we are done with the briefing, and this briefing session was absolutely amazing because we got amazing insights about the project and everything. But I'm going to keep that aside. Now to continue this vlog, what I'm going to do is, the whole of Evoke members are spreading around this whole area, and I'm going to make it very candid. I'm going to go and check on what they are doing. Are they working? Are they making content? Are they calling? What exactly they are doing? So they don't know that I'm going to come to them, and they don't know this is a YouTube video. So yeah, I think this is a group of boys. And Zed, what are you doing right now?
So currently we're planning to shoot some content.
He's Zed. I'm sure you guys know him. Yeah, very good looking person.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what are you doing right now?
So currently we're doing a lot of calls, and also we are planning to make a good video from the top of there, so we can have the whole experience.
So
center.
as expected, calling and content session is going on. We have Tanzil over here. Tanzil, what's happening right now?
We are making some contents and we are doing callings as well.
Okay. We have Eston over here. Eston, what's happening?
I just finished up with my Zoom meeting, client from Australia.
This is what I love about him. He's either doing Zoom meetings or calling. And
Loved the project, loved everything. Probably on Monday, one better.
amazing. This I love this even more. And then this guy is eating ice cream.
मैं ये फील कर रहा हूँ
Raw
कि
melt.
जैसे ही ये प्रोजेक्ट रेडी होगा तो आपको आइसक्रीम का कैसा टेस्ट होने वाला है तो क्लाइंट के लिए पहले से मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ अगर गलत आइसक्रीम होगी तो प्रोजेक्ट भी नहीं दूंगा
अच्छा आइसक्रीम एक्सपीरियंस करके कॉलिंग.
भाई वो हो चुकी मीटिंग हो चुकी मेरी एक मीटिंग मैं सुबह ही कर चुका
Yeah, I'm proof. He's done a meeting. Okay, so this is Vinay. Let me take you. Who else is there? So we have another group of people sitting right in the front in the sofa. I'm sure not relaxing. Let's see what they're doing. Okay, so we have Wasim over here with us. So Wasim,
Yes.
I see you're pretty relaxed. What's happening?
No, we are just discussing the idea, what to do, and content idea. Basically, we're discussing.
Okay, so you're discussing content idea.
Yes.
Okay, what is the idea you're looking into right now?
See, right now we are showing this experience center. Okay. He's asking me where are you right now, and I'm explaining all these things what we have in the experience center.
Okay, amazing. As expected, they are discussing on a content idea. It's a great place to shoot. We have Akil over here also. Akil, what's happening?
Hello guys. So this is what we were discussing. We are planning to do a collab because that's how we get more views and more engagement. So yeah, I think I like the idea, but I'll improvise a little bit, and then we'll go with the shoot and content.
Okay, so Wasim and Akil, they are planning some crazy concept of video. We have Masoom and Afaq. So, Masoom, what's happening?
So I just shoot a video, a clip, experience center, sharing with my client how it will be because they are not able to come here.
Right.
So that's why I'm sharing with him that.
So he's being the eyes and ears of the client while being here in Dubai. So great. We have Afaq over here. Afaq, what's happening? Afaq is our specialist in Pashto. All the people who are from Afghanistan, Pakistan who speak Pashto, he's the guy.
So I'm
एक बार पश्तो में कुछ बोल दो यार.
مدلتا راغلیو امتیاز والا پروجیکټ ډیر یو خسته پروجیکټ دا افغانستان نه د امتیاز هم کدی پروجیکټ ډیټیل په کاری ما سره کانټیکټ وکړي.
He said something I can understand. He said this is the best project Imtiaz Raw District and contact him. So yeah, what's happening right now?
So right now I'm just sending my personalized videos to my clients regarding the update of the Raw District, the everything that how they should book the unit because a lot of UIs are like they're short on the UIs. So we need to submit the UIs and book them a good unit.
Great. So he's sending personalized videos to the people. So yeah, that's pretty much about the team. I think there are more people. They are in meetings right now. And yeah, let me introduce you to more people. But yeah, we continue today. It's 4 p.m. right now. And we have a cricket match today. Because every Saturday we have a team bonding activity. So we are playing amongst ourselves, Evoke A and Evoke B. So yeah, you will see a lot of action on the cricket ground as well. So 6:30 right now, and every alternate Saturday we have to go for a team bonding activity. So today we are playing cricket. Cricket is very close to my heart, and it's Evoke A versus Evoke B. We're gonna divide the team, and of course from formals I have to change to casuals and sports attire. So we are at UPro right now, Al Khuz, and let's see. Let's go and play with Evoke A and Evoke B.
अच्छा गेम
हम लोगों को ऑलमोस्ट चोक कर दिया था.
आज जेब मिला है
पहले से
जेब मिला है आज
ये फोन रुक दिया मैंने
वेदांत हाँ
वेदांत was bowling me, हाँ.
बॉलिंग अच्छा था इसका
प्लस भाई पहले से हम लोग और अच्छा
That's it for the day. We had an amazing day, productive one, and luckily all the boys are here. Look at the Evoke boys. Okay, amazing day, guys. You want to say something?
Come on, say it.
Let's wait for the Evoke Studio video.
Next
A
time
lot more to
who
come.
watching this vlog, please come in the proper attire. या तो अपनी गाड़ी लेकर आओ. बहुत मुश्किल होती है.
And wait for the Raw District Experience Center video for the next one. Cheers. See you.